Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we are diving into something that you want to meet. If you enjoy this, on the notif bell to content king of content, make sure to hit the likes button, subscribe to the channel, and fun on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now with further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Okay, everyone. Chapter once. The sun had not yet risen when a thick blanket of look, a fog, converted the mountain border. And the forest was so quiet that even the roosting levers could be heard from a distance, but beneath that silence, the Narrows force was preparing an operation that could snacks the notification security. The group was led by former military commander and naval victory. After despairing for years, he returned with a Higley trained army of mercenaries. Together, they seized a top secret military communication facility hidden deep with the mountains. The base control style network that connects several military installations across the country. On sea, the capture the facility, Victory immediately turned it into deadly fortress. Let Minas were along if possible, and transmotion sensor and surveillance camera were hidden among the lace elite sniper occupies the pitch overlooking the valley. Every inch of the surrounding forest has become careful design that strap. Victory. West Kirstein that anyone send the rhythm, the faculty would never live alive. Hunter of miles away, Panic spread talks the Nazi military had or terse communication with the secret facility had been complete loss. I had level emergency meeting was called military commanders, installations officer, and government official gather around Lex digital map displaying the satellite image of the capture base. We have already lost contact with two reconnaissance team. One officer reporter, no survivors. The rooms feel silent. Finally, the senior general stops up. If we send entry, battalion will only give a victory more targets. High pause before containance. We need a smile. You need a team couple of despairing into the shadow. Everyone in the room already know what he mean. One's name appeared on the screen, Colonel R. Mine. A legendary, special, uh, Forest sniper, a man whose name had become a symbol of impossible mission. For, of, for over 20 years, Arman had led Hogstech's response counter-terrorist operation and confirmed mission across the world. His record was nearly flawless. But 2 years later, he had retired. Far away from the battlefield, Arman now lived a peaceful life in West Mountain village. He spent his morning tending his small farm and his afternoon teaching local children basic marksmanship as a sport where had become nothing more than distant memory. Also, he believed that a peaceful morning was interrupted by the sound of helicopter blades echoing across the valley. A military helicopter landed in the middle of his field. A young officer stopped out crying. David's documents cries, Colonel Arman. The country not you again. Arman remained silent. The officer opened the folder, revealing stylized photographs of the uh, capture military facility. If we fail to retire on this base, our entire defense communication system could collapse. Arman slowly X means every image. Then the asked online on question how many team have you already sent? And the officer left his head to and they never come back. The answer was no. Arman walked into his house with a hot, saying another words. I have, yes, a few moments later, he returned scoring an Oxford cause conference in Dutch. He opened it in careful. Instead, lying the sniper, the head comes him. Thoughts countless headless, he canstly whips away the dust. Despite year, despite year of recruitment, his hand still remember everyone detail of the weapon, which another word he keeps the mission. Next, the evening, Arman arrived if the special foreman's headquarters, Vic Lee's operation were already waiting for him. X had been selected from the country best military unit, Raka, the explosive expert, Dames, the town reconnaissance specialist, May, the cyber, we far and communication expert, Roy, the assault ref specialist, BAME, the comms medics and close uh, quartz Victor. Yes, all that. All had stories about Arman, none of them had ever fought beyond him. As Archman entered the briefing room, Reiki quietly whispered to Ray, "That's the legendary sniper. He looks for all for the mission." Arman heard the command. Hey, simple smile expression. Expression had taught him that respect and earned on the battlefield, not in the briefing room. The legs dematch at a massive digital match illumination the room, and the senior generals began exploiting the operation Victory Express used to attack from the main road. Next, every voice uh, every voice use text from the main road. Every voice or intelligence discovering about train tunnel behind the mount, it uh, does appear on any modern maps. This will be your infinite road. Uh, the young, the young, the young soldier noted confusion, but man remained silent. Something did feel right. Victory had only been won the military greatest experience in quarterly. Wherefore, if that was true, how could the possible overlook an underground tunnel leading direction to his headquarters? Airman slowly crossed his arms. This tunnel. The generals looked at him. What about if? What if Victory already know it's there? The room became quiet. No one had considered that possibility. After long silence, Lecoq looked at every member of his team. I want all of you to remember one thing. Everyone focus on him. The enemy is guarding time best. Daring waiting for you. Thoughts would send a chill through the room. The operation had suddenly become far dangerous than anyone had imagined. Before sunrise the next morning, the team bought a military helicopter bound for the remote morning wrangle. No one spoke during the legs. Uh, its operation silent checks their weapon and equipment one last time. Was the helicopter disabled into the morning for six soldiers who been walking into the dense forest? They had no idea that from miles away, a sniper scope was already watching step the truck. Chapter 1. Okay, next, chapter 2. The freeze tribe in the forest. The morning fog still clung to the lowering stress of Colonel Arrestman and his fifth man team moved deeper into the mountain's forest. Sunlit Breven Pearsons, the thick canopy above left the crowns dim and Ardif silent. Every step was measured, every sound mattered. Airmen led the formation, scanning the Farron with calm expression. Yes, year of combat had taught him that the most dangerous enemy was alone the ones you clean see. Behind him, the Danish launching combat reckoners thrown into the air. Its camera stream lift feed into his table. So far, the so far the path looks clear. Dames whisper, the man did scout down, bring the drone lower, and the drone's descansion gelding only a few feet above the forest floor. Suddenly, something appeared on the screen. A thin, aristocrat bit toothbrush. May, nor here is, here is. That's a streamer watch, Reiki. Careful, examine it. Its west connection to dirt, fragmentation, granulation, hidden beneath pile of leaves. If he had waked nor to step, Rika Mulstrad, we at all be dead. Okay, next. Wait. High reaction for his weird cultures. Airman stopping him. Leave it. Everyone looks at him. It with Sam Victory will know we already found one of his tribe, so we'll go around it. The team silently changed direction, leaving the trap exactly as the herd found it. The deeper they moved into the forest, the stranger everyone became. No beats, no instrument, no will dance, only silence. Airsman stopped walking the forest to quit before anyone's call respond. Bang! A relief shot across the tops the valley, the bells smote into air. There's just inch from the rail had sniper been made caught everyone immediately. Four pains hot and violent like another shot rang out. This time, the balls distorted Dame's drone, sending it across the dark grounds. I can see him. Rail yells, Amen. Remove completing clamp, question of shares for the shorter, he watched the beat of flag student pressed from the ledge several 100 meters away. There, he slowly raises his sniper. Fred we was ironing a person. He was ironing at a thin flash of reflected sunlight. The enemy sniper scope. Airsman stabby his breathing. One had a breath. Her question the trigger. Next, silent followed. Then a body fell from the top of a tall pine tree. Rail started in disable uniform and say him Arman. Lauren is live. I saw his mistable. Then him resounds moving, but only for few moments without warning. Boom, boom. A boom, a massive explosion, a throbbing beepons, then the ground so violently, smoke filled the forest. The forest, dozens of armed terrorists emergency from behind rocks and bush, opening free from every direction. There we been waiting for an May. Source Puffin, repentant stone, Prefonson, Everhorn, Erzman, Emergency took command, and don't live here. A fall, a fall, backs to river. The team fears shot controlled before with Willie straightened toward the trim's raken threads to smoke screen. Their weak smoke spread across the battlefield, fairly hitting that moment use the cover. They sprinted lowers the nervous river con for several minutes. They believed they had escaped. Then them suddenly froze. Colonel Airman Turnet. What is it? What is it? Damish. Pound then across the river. Dawns of time had leisure beams approach on the rocks around them. Every lash, one attacks to a sniper. Rifle, Earthman slowly looks up. The cliffs surrounding the cons were filled with enemy sniper. His expansion had denial. We went scalping. He finally understood. We were being herded. Every but they had thanks every direction they had closed had been plans the victory from the very begins. Okay, next. Lone figures type on the legs cliff overload the volley. It was victory. I hail Lobston in on land welcome backs. Colonel Airman. His voice a con talk. The cons and the first student every mission. Your ever complete Airsman lockets up with to fear, you're still understanding me. Victory smile. This valley is your grave. He slowly raised one hand, instantly more than 30 sniper rifle locates on the Arman's team. They tightened his grip in his weapon. Where Sumrodets may whisper, what do we do now? Arman's canyon went last time. The resting river, the towering cliff, the cavern boulders. Some here. Okay, there. Next. So there had to be a way out. Prattling hidden, paying a cluster of rocks, and all still training baby disabled beneath the mound out forgotten maintenance tunnel. His age northwards, he had a plan, but it's one the king of plan that only had one chance of spreading victory voice uh, echoing on more. I'm giving you one final approaching surrender. Or the canyon fell completely silent. Uh, okay, but Sindus waited, neither willing to make the freeze move. Then Airsman slowly smiled flow his head. The real battle was about the began. The West backed and began. Chapter 2. Okay, next ke chapter 3. Okay, my friend. Next chapter 3. Traps in the Valley of Death. The more the roar of the river accounts talks the narrow canyon and Colonel Airsman and his team remain Spain. Behind Scouter Boulder, above the more than 30 name sniper waiting patrons on the cliff, their lesser scenes dancing. Across the roads below, there was no escapes, no cover, only deadly crossfire waiting for For comments, Victory start competition at the edge of the cliff, looking down at Armantor's pair of binoculars. Uh, the if if spins year year studying your texted he school econo exki for you think element then answer he quietly bows the battlefield in sweat how big thing remains no steady fire had no place in his mind. Rio press on beside him, Colonel. If we stay here, we'll have finished. I know. So what's the plan? Iron Man plunged toward the Rangis River, then towards the steep canyon's well. Finally, his eyes stretched on all still trains people, almost complete hidden behind that bush there. Rio, okay, look at next. Okay, next, my friend. Uh, Look at come said that people. It lets some here. How do you know Armen smell? Military engineers never would only one emergency exit. Above them, Victor raised his hand. Il comes to there. When reached there, my men will open fire. The canyon become complete silent one. One. Rocket. It planes from the smoke connect from the face. May activities. Her portable signal camera. James prepare his pickup recommendation drone. BMX become his medically kill with skipping. His real aiming upload with Airman Tiger grip one his sniper rifle. Then Victory smile three installasi bang bang. Dozens of sniper release vision simultaneously bullets started the rocks around the team. Stone fragment upon into the air smoke Iron Man shouted racket the both smokes granted into the midst of the canyon. Boom! Boom! This with smoke accuracy records the entry value floor at the Psalms team. May which in on her signal jammer. Every anyone suppression drone suddenly lost connection. What happened to the drone once Mackensen yelled? Day of operation before anyone called reaction. Damage, Rex, James launching his team become drone installation attracting the drone creation miniature speaker. Suddenly, the sound helicopter echoed the canyon. Then come recorded military radio character. LP team is post station. Bravo team advancing from the north. Prepare to ex prepares to X, the voice become of the corn's wall, making it sound the talk hundreds a soldier will approach the American panic scat commander. There are more specialists for behind yours. Okay, next. Victory Frontnet impossible. He turned to when the sun, that single moment of distraction was Alman needed move. The team sprint toward the smoke toward the hidden trips people. One by one, they disable inside. Rail, rail, rail. Interaction lasts only second later. Boom! A rocket slams into the piece and three massive rocks collapse behind them, sailing part of the tunnel. Dragnet slowly the team. Okay, next. Inside the town, only the breeze of their fleshly peaks the darkness. Cool water flower around their boots. The narrow silhouettes echoed everyone footstep. No one spoke. The silent lived heavier than the free facts outside after nearly 20 minutes of walking. Bam! Suddenly stopped it. Colonel Airman turned what it is? What is it? What is it? Beam point toward the muddy floor, fresh footprint. Some had well cut toward the tunnel. The Can's airman caught down. The horsemen were less dense they all show. Maya whispered the enemy knows about this tunnel. Airman nods, which means it's portable another trap. Before anyone could say another word, click a teen's mentality. A thin mentality, a sound now that the tunnel, everyone's floors rail slowly. Slowly locates down, has fast turned pal, I step on some stem. Careful enemy haze a flashlight at Rio boot. His eyes widens. A present mind, no one move. I feel breathing suddenly fill the nerves. If you leave your fort, Reka said quietly. We all there. A switch rolls down. What do we do? What do we do? Raka slowly canal. Beside the mind, I can't read, I can't read, I can't read to disarm it. Arman shook his head. No, ill talks too long, and victory mean will eventually win this tunnel. Silence retorts everyone's account matters. Airman looks around. The tunnel was oak. Rust covered the walls. The constant floor had began to crack with a guide can. A 10. Okay, so next. I smell smelly, proud in house fresh. I have another idea. Raka looked at him. I'm not sure I want to hear it. We're not going to slam the main blankets. What? We are going to remove the flower under it. Everyone struck at our armament. His point towards the Prescott Conrad. If we collapse the session beneath the minute, and the priest let fall with it, the man applause below use instead of here. Talks for a moment if Cold War, but if we're never free come against the mission of well I'll be blown apart. Arman nods that. Then we don't miss. Then we don't miss. Meanwhile, outside the tunnel on of Victoria's confidently Scofield, Chris Ford's mid loading into the Reddit's paper. The Scott reporter over the radio, Commander, we found them. Victoria smiled. Agni hit caused the tunnel. He looked tower on the mountain, flags explosion at everyone's. It went to his underground will by him here. Victory smiled. Ekno. He caused the tunnel, the locks tower, the mounts, placed a poison at everyone's entrance. If Armstrong went to underground, we all be buried him there, because immediately began a powerful demolition that around tunnel and strand inside. Ermines and his team had no idea that the monster it was about to become their greatest enemy. Okay. Uh, Thank you so much, my friend. Next video. Oke, mantap.